The Department of Energy is trying to make it easier for consumers to identify the right people to work on next-generation heat pump technologies. They're calling it the Energy Skilled Recognition Program. So this heat pump water heater installation bundle is a 2-course series that's energy skill recognized by the US DOE. The bundle includes 2 courses required for energy skill recognition in heat pump water heater installation. The first is installation best practices. It covers design, sizing, step-by-step installation. Then there's sales and first call strategies, which focuses more on communication, problem assessment, solution-based sales, and then addressing client concerns to close sales effectively. We're proud to offer this Energy Skill Recognized program and hope you'll enroll today.